Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to show formulas in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so we have this project management sheet with this project management table, and we have some numbers here, and some of these numbers are created by formulas. And if you have a lot of formulas in a Google Sheets spreadsheet and you want to debug them because you have some issues, a great thing you can do is you can show the formulas. You can see them in the formula bar. So instead of the value of the formulas, you can see the formulas with text values. And how you can do that? All you have to do is go to the menu bar, select view, then click on show. And as you can see, formulas here. And as you can see, you can also use a keyboard shortcut to show the formulas. But if you click on this, as you can see, we had formulas here. And instead of the values of the formula, we get the actual formula that was used to create these values. So all in all, this is how to show formulas in a Google Sheets spreadsheet.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.